Now this project is ready to explain. First let us understand what are connectors or conjunctions. Connectors in English grammar are basically conjunctive words which are used for connecting similar elements in a sentence. Then types of connectors. Coordinating connectors. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Then subordinating connectors. For example, as, because, since, so that, although, though, after, before, until, while, if, unless, etc. Then correlating connectors. For example, both and, not only but also, either or, neither nor, whether or not, etc. Then determiners. What are determiners? A person or thing that determines or decides something is known as determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Then types of determiners. Definite articles. For example, the is the definite articles. Indefinite articles, a and an are the indefinite articles. Then demonstratives. These, that, these, those are the demonstratives. Then pronouns and possessive determiners. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, etc. Then quantifiers. For example, a few, a little, much, many, some, enough, etc. Then numbers. For example, 1, 10, 30, etc. Then distributives. For example, all, both, half, either, neither, each, every, etc. Then difference words. Other and another are difference words. Then predeterminers. For example, such, what, rather, quite, etc. So these are the types of determiners and these are the types of connectors. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.